This video will show you how to calculate a confidence interval using the data method in your TI-84 calculator. We're going to use this example that says, suppose an archaeologist discovers 6 fossil skeletons from a previously unknown species of miniature horse. Reconstruction of the skeleton allows her to measure their shoulder height in centimeters of the horses. The heights are 45.3 centimeters, 47.1 centimeters, 44.2 centimeters, 46.8 centimeters, 45.5 centimeters, and 47.6 centimeters. From this data, let's construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean shoulder height of this species of miniature horse. So, the first thing we're going to do in order to construct this interval is we're going to go to our list. We need to put this data that they've given us in a list. So remember, to get to the list, we'll press stat, and we'll enter on edit. And in list 1, we're going to list the values that were given to us. And notice I already have those values listed here. So you're going to list all those values in here. And then once you're here, to actually calculate the confidence interval using your calculator, you go stat, and you're going to arrow over to test again. And you're going to go down to remember, this is a t-interval we're calculating. So t-interval gives us a couple ways to calculate. Remember, we can do it either through the data method or the stats method. We use data when we have lists. We use stats when we're pulling numbers from the problem. So here we have a list that gave us a list of values to put into a list. We're going to set our list to L1. Leave the frequency at 1. Your C level is your confidence level expressed as the decimal. And ours is 95%, so we'll leave that at 0.95. And so we'll press enter through all this stuff, or we'll arrow down to all this stuff and get to calculate. We get to calculate. We see that the interval, or the plausible values, the lower limit is 44.727 centimeters. The upper limit is 47.439 centimeters. So that's all you have to do to find a confidence interval in your calculator. Plug numbers into a list. And remember, when you're given a list, you're always going to use the data method.